they don't need to understand. Never back then, we on the rise. Ain't no time to pass, they be lurking in the grass. Gotta stay on track. Got a time to play, and I'm making my way. No time for no drama, I'm keep rising higher. I got raised hotter than the fire. Hard like a pack of hyenas attacking. I ain't never slacking, ain't no dagging. I ain't looking back, I won't get sidetracked. They can't break my stride. I keep stacking it high, now I'm living free. All eyes on me, can't be tamed, burning like a flame. Been through the pain, only the real ones remain. That's the game, I ain't got time to run. That's where I came from, breaking these chains. I'm joshing the rain, I ain't taking a track, I ain't looking back. What did I see? Can't go wrong, I'm staying strong, leaving haters behind. I stay on the grind, they be making a name, I ain't playing games. Y'all sounding lame, I push through the pain. Never been another victim, I rise from the friction. Can't afford to be slipping with my mind on a mission. I ain't got time to fly, reaching for the stars, never in a dream. Can't be caught in between, y'all know what I mean. Grind, I gotta go grind. Always staying, I ain't on plane. Money stacking on dreams, I'm staying on top. Y'all know how it goes. Stacking that dough, that's how it goes in the city. I'm living life like a G, to the very end. I ain't got no room for no fake friends. These haters wanna crash, I'm stacking my cash. Never gonna stop, gotta keep it going. Gotta keep moving, gotta stay strong. We made it through, got nothing to lose. Riding with my crew. Don't need no fake love, can't match me in a trap. Gotta make it stack, always grind on top. I'm rising to the top, you know I'm steady chasing. Ain't no time for waiting, I'm spitting real steam. I'm living my dream, I ain't never gonna fall. Haters brush them off, I just think about it, can't nobody bring me down.